Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. I'm back with some happy mail, and this special mail comes from Liana, and her channel is It's a Deal. You probably already know her. She is new to me, and I'm just come to discover the wonderful creations that she makes on her channels, and she has some awesome hauls and challenges as well. So make sure to check it out. I'll link her channel down below. So again, Liana, thank you so much for joining my birthday giveaway challenge. If you are interested, you still have time till April 5th to join, and I'll link the video at the end with all the fun details. So let's get in here and see what she sent me. Again, I did see her VR, but I am excited to see what she made in person. It's always fun. Oh my gosh, I can see it already. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, look at this, guys. We'll put that there. Look at how gorgeous this is. Oh my gosh, and she shared some extras too. Thank you so much. So let's look. She made me a pocket letter. Oh, I am so in love with this colors. I am a big teal fan, and this image is so me. I love to take pictures, especially of nature, and she has made a shaker in here, and I remember her saying that she did use her fuse tool, and that just inspiring me to pull that tool out of my drawer and using it. So this is a wonderful project, but look at this, and how adorable is this little dangle here with our little bauble with some miniature stars, a heart, gold heart. Oh my gosh, and I love these little chain link here. That's really nice with the ribbon. And she also included this cute little notebook. I love the summer theme, the tropical theme to that. Definitely gonna use this. How cute is this? Oh my gosh, that's adorable. Let's look at the back. So that's what it looks like, and I love the washi that you included. I love books. I mean, this is, oh my gosh, love, 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 love it. Thank you so much, Liana. I'll put it right here. Let's have a look at some of the extra goodies that she's shared in addition to that wonderful entry. Again, if you join, no extra goodies included, but I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much for being so sweet and generous. So she shared this, it looks like watercolor florals, and it has a beautiful texture to it. Almost like fabric. It's so cool. So we have this washi, and she's included a mix of these adorable beads, always fun for dangles and charms, you know, for your planners, junk journals, and other projects. Oh my gosh, I love that mix. And it looks like we have an ATC card. Love the colors. Sweet moments. That peace sign is adorable. And these enamel dots are really fun. I love that they're faceted and they have a black and white color. Let me check the back. Oh, okay, it has some of her information, and it's her favorites are pastels, anything girly, mermaids, Disney, stickers, die cut bows, and embellishment. And her channel is It's a Deal. And on Instagram, it's a deal 05. So I'll link it all down below so you can check that out. That is so sweet. And she's also added some of these enamel dots in this beautiful pink color, which is perfect for spring. And I love this bag as well. Again, Liana, thank you so much for this beautiful pocket letter and all these wonderful extras. I'm so excited to find another new crafty friend. It's always nice to learn and also enjoy new content. So if you'd like to check her out, I'll put her link down below. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this Happy Mail unboxing. Thanks again for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time.